This iPhone is broken. Let's fix it. We'll give it some love taps. And now it's crunch time. This part's always challenging because you might pull up a magnet or two. Thankfully, you can always glue those back down. There we go. We'll add another one to the collection. And here's the hardest part to remove. And then we'll stick it in for round 2. Then we'll give it a good old brush, put down some fresh adhesive, and replace the back glass. All that's left is clamping it down to ensure a good seal. And there we go. It's as good as new.